What's good to YouTube? This your boy Uncle Nasdaq back again, guys, with another banger, guys. So today we're looking at Nasdaq-Us30 and gold. So I'm not gonna analyze the market live, but I am gonna show you what I'm looking at and what we are looking for to trade next week, right? So as we can see, we're gonna start off by looking at this channel here. We can see that the market is pushing to the downside. It's like a channel. I don't want to say a trend because it's looking like a consolidation, but it's not a consolidation. So I would say it's like a downward channel that has to come fill its third touch there. So we're just gonna put our first touch, and then we're gonna have our second touch here. We're just gonna have our second touch here, and then we're gonna have our third touch somewhere here where we are anticipating the market to come. Because why I'm thinking, or why I'm anticipating the market will come here, is because the market has been pushing down. As you can see, the market has been pushing to the downside, creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows. Right now the market is also creating a lower low. So this confirms to us that obviously we are going to be anticipating the market to come down. Why am I anticipating the market to come down is because another thing is we are below a resistance level, right? We are below this resistance level. So this resistance level is already telling us that the market is selling. And this is a double top with a fake out here, so we don't really care about the fake out, but the resistance is the one that's important, right? So why am I saying that this market will sell? What's making me sell? Like, why? You know, there's the why question. So if I can zoom into the chart, you can clearly see that we had support here, right? Let me just highlight the zones. We had support here, right? And this support is obviously confirming to us that the market is it's about to push to the top side, right? And now we can see the market that it broke the support, and now the support has became a resistance level. So now this zone is now a resistance level, right? Now we are expecting the market to sell off from this zone. You understand what I'm saying? So it's not about the technical. There's more to it than the technical analysis. You know, there's the Fibonacci's. There's the kind of rules we use, you know, to trade. One of them is the mid range. The mid range is a zone that it's something like this that I use, you know, to identify the middle part of my trend. So if I have to pull this to the furthest, like this, you're gonna see that the market respects here, the market respects. Every time the market comes to this zone, it tends to take a new direction after breaking out. So here already it's confirming to us, it's almost like a resistance, confirming to us that we are going to sell, but it's a mid-range. I call it a mid-range. I don't want to talk about this because these things are in my full course. You know, there are people who paid for these things. So if I talk about it on YouTube, people will be like, no, dog. So we paid for something that's out there. You know, that's why I'm not analyzing, because I figured out with me analyzing the market, you guys can already see, and I've removed some tools that I've used on this market when I was analyzing to see this sell, just because my things are so simple, guys. Like, I trade pure price action. Like, my things are so simple. Like, there's no way you can go wrong if you just follow the rules. You understand? There's no way you can go wrong if you just follow the rules. It's pure price action. You can trade aggressively. You can trade using risk entries. You can trade managing your. You can do anything basically with this strategy. It just depends on you. What type of a trader are you? Are you a scalper? Are you a swinger? Are you a day trader? What are you? Understand? Let's move to US30, guys. So guys, with US30 we already hit take profit, but I am anticipating the market to come till somewhere here, right? I actually sent the signal sell for US30. Let me just notify the members that take profit was hit, right? Let me just notify the members take profit was hit, and then I'll be back. Cool guys, so we're back. So what we can see on US30 is that the market was having some type of an up channel here, right? Let's say some kind of a bearish flag, because it's a big bearish flag, right? But I would say this is a bearish flag, but I don't want to really complicate things, because you know a bearish flag has to be plain and simple. Let's say this is a up channel, right? So the market pushes up, creating a higher high, and then a higher low, and then a higher high, and then a higher low, and a higher high, higher low. But where I saw the market reversing is at my mid range. Remember I said I always have mid ranges when trading these markets, right? So this was my mid range there. Somewhere there was my mid range. So I saw that every time the market goes above, you can see it just retests and then it buys. Every time it comes below, it retests and then it sells. So when it passed here, I was like, no dog, this market's gonna sell, right? This market is gonna take sales. And what did the market do? The market started selling off. But we didn't take trades, mainly because we didn't have any setup. Well, there was some kind of a setup here. I had this down channel where I wanted to sell here, but I was like, no dog, let me just wait, let me just wait, because with my strategy, it's an impulse correction, and everyone learned that from Falcon FX. I can't hide that from you guys. Everyone learned it from, everyone was taught by Falcon the impulse correction, impulse thing. So here when there's a breakout, we're expecting the market to obviously correct its way and then push to the downside. That's market structure, dog. That's market structure. So if you're ignorant about the market structure, the market's gonna kill you, bro. The market is gonna burn you. And then obviously I've used my Fibonacci's to confirm this sell. And then here we can see why I put my TP here. It's mainly because there's a low here, and then this trend line is like our diagonal support. Like Nasdaq Ninja says, this trend line is our diagonal support. So look how the market is pushing up to, like, it's pushing aggressively, guys. So basically pure price action, it's you guys. So what I'm expecting from US30 is for the market to consolidate its way from here and then just sell, because we are looking at overall sales, guys. We are looking at overall sales. Even though the market is respecting this is a small move. The overall market it's bearish. You understand? The overall market, we can see that the market is trading. It's trending to the downside. That's what we can see. The market is trending to the downside, and if you are ignorant about it, you'll blow your account, guys. You will blow your account. Let's look at gold, guys. So I won't be looking at German 30 because I've stopped trading German 30, mainly because a lot of fake outs. So today in the morning I traded German 30 with my VIP members, and our direction was correct, but the market first faked out, and this is not the first time it does that. So I decided that no, German 30 is not for me. What we can see on gold is basically the market having an uptrend, right? The market is trending to the top side. From here we saw the market trending to the top side. I have this channel which is like my rising wedge, right? And then we have something we call trend within trends, right? Trends in trends. So we have this that the market has now confirmed, giving us our third touch and giving us our third touch on this trend line too. So I'm just anticipating the buys. Why I said you can trade smart money with pure price action is because look at this. This is like a demand setup, right? An order block which confirms us going to the top side, right? Look how the market just tapped into that and bought, So bro, like when we trade, we're looking to capitalize on anything. You can use any strategy and then you can do anything about it, right? So with gold we are looking for buys, and this is our TP1 and our TP2. Why this is our TP1 is because this is a support level, right? This is actually a support level, and then we have this which is our last level. because obviously all of us we follow the 90% rule. That's why we look on taking partials of our profits here and then just holding the trade. When the trade goes this way, we'll just be trailing our stop losses up and up and up. When it takes us out, it takes us out, but when it comes here, we're gonna exit the trade. So some of you guys had issues with my risk management. Let me just explain my risk management to you guys, right? Let me just get the brush, you know. So guys, let's say you have a 1,000 in your trading account, right? Let's say you have a 1,000 in your trading account, and then let's say you have a 500 in your trading account. So let's just split this. So this side we have the 1,000, and then this side we have the 5,000, right? So if it's all about risk to reward, right? It's all about the risk to reward. So if you have 1,000 in your account, you can risk each trade to you can risk 250 rands on each trade, right? You can risk 250 rands on each trade, which means you can take 4 trades times 4, right? You can take 4 trades before losing this account. But let's say you have this 500 account, right? And you want to risk 250, right? Because it's not all about how much you risk, it's about where your stop loss is and where it's supposed to be. Your stop loss has to be at a certain low, so you can't just say no, it won't be at this low because I only want to risk 250. No, that's why forex doesn't work for some of us and forex works for some of us, you know. So if you want to risk 250 on a 500 account, you will only be able to trade this account 2 times. But now me, on the other hand, I was having a 700 rands account, right? I was having a 700 rands account, and why I didn't use a stop loss on this account is mainly because it was a fundamental trade, right? It was a fundamental trade, and we all know using a stop loss on fundamentals, it's childish, ne? It's childish. So I was willing to lose the whole 700, right? Because I was willing to lose 700 to make how much? 5k. I was willing to lose 700 to make 5k, right? You are willing to lose 250 to make how much? 1k, right? So it's all about your risk to reward. You are willing to risk 250 to make 1k. So the more the risk, the more the reward, guys. It's not about risk small, risk where. It's all about how, because look, if you have money, you have money, right? If you don't have money, you don't have money. So we've built our capital as traders to have such capital to risk. Like I can have a 1,000 account, ne? I can have a 1,000 account, and then you will have a 500 account, right? You will have a 500 account. Let me just do this. You'll have a 500 account. No dog. Yeah, you will have a 500 account. Rands. We're talking rands here, ne? Rands. So what happens is I can risk like 500 rands. I can risk like 500 rands on one trade, right? Or on let's say on 2 trades. And then if you want to risk the same money, you can risk it, dog, because you see, I'm risking 500 to make 3k, right? I'm risking 500 to make 3k. Now I'm having 1,000 in my account. Now the same person that's having a 500 is also risking 500 to make 3k. It's all about risk to reward. It's not about how big your account is. So my stop loss will hit 500, and my account balance will be sitting on 500. Your account balance will be sitting on 0. So mainly what I want to say is it's about how much you fund, and it's about what strategy you trade. Like the risk management strategy, you can basically maneuver, not the risk management, but the pure price action strategy that I've just built. You can basically maneuver your stop loss in saying, okay, I only wanna lose this much, right? And it's all about you, like, you know, knowing how much you want to lose and how much you are willing to lose. Because remember, in forex you don't invest money that you are not willing to lose. You understand? So I just wanted to clear up the risk management shandies. But then nonetheless, guys, that's the analysis I see on US30, NAS100 and gold. If you guys want more analysis on that, Make sure this video gets at least a minimum of 40 likes. The channel is almost at 200 subscribers, guys. Please, let's subscribe, let's share with our friends and family so they can get notified once I upload, guys. See you guys on another video. Danko means thank you.